Yeah, hello everyone. So, guys, today we are going to have a conversation practice. I'm just going to show to my viewers who are watching this video on YouTube that if there are two people, how they can do a conversation in English. So, we have two people here, Zubair Mahmood and we have Devendra Man. So, you both have to do the conversation. The topic is going to be given to you. The topic is this: yesterday, Zubair was standing in the market buying something. Suddenly, Zubair saw that uh, his old friend, let's take the same topic, his old friend was standing there, whom he had not seen for a long time. So, when he saw his old friend there in the market, what happened? How did he react? Did he take his friend to his home or not? So, Devendra has to ask a lot of questions related to this topic. And Zubair is supposed to just reply whatever the question is being asked. Got it? Fine. So, when I say action, Devendra has to talk to Zubair. Hi, Zubair, how are you? Like this. Okay? So, three,
Okay.
two, one, action.
Hi Zubair.
Yes, hi Devendra. How are you?
I am fine. And what about you?
Yeah, I'm good.
And how the things going on?
Yeah, it's absolutely perfect.
Oh, great. And I came to know that you have come across your friend. Is it true?
Yes, yes, it's true.
Okay. And what happened there actually?
Actually, when I entered the market, at that time I saw one of my friends who came across me. So
Okay.
I asked him here, buddy, where were you? I mean, too many. I didn't see you too many years like that. So see, after that he hugged me.
Hugged
Zubair,
you,
where
hugged
were
me.
you?
Second
Yeah,
fault.
hugged. Yes, yes, hugged me. Too many days. I mean, too many years like that.
And
So we
uh,
okay.
and was he recognize you at once?
Did he
Yes, yes,
recognize you? Devendra,
Did
did
he?
he?
Did he recognize you
yes,
at
yes,
once?
yes, yes. Yeah,
Oh,
yes,
that's
he
great.
recognized me very well because he's my one of best friends. That's why there is no need to long time to recognize me. I mean,
Okay, okay.
instantly he recognized me. That's it.
Okay, okay. And what do you do now?
Sorry.
What does he do now? What does he do now?
Actually, he's unemployed because of
Okay,
coronavirus pandemic. That's why
that
he's
means he's struggling for the job.
yeah, struggling. He's looking a good job.
Looking
So
for,
we
looking
had
for,
a
looking for a good job.
looking for a good job. We had a conversation about that. So I told him, no problem, buddy. I also look for you good job for you,
And
no
and
problem.
and then you did you share your contact with him?
Yes, yes. I give all my details. I mean, the email ID, my personal mobile number, anything, whatever I
And
had.
okay, that's great. And did you organize any party? You know,
No, no.
uh,
Sorry?
because did you organize any party over there? Because you
No, no.
met
No, no,
a
no, no,
very
no, no, no.
long
Because
time.
at that time, I had not sufficient time at that time. I was looking for to. I was wondering to buy something at that time. So there is no time for me to give him. So I gave him just my contact number, email ID, whatsoever I had. I gave him.
Devendra, ask him
After
that
that,
And
like
he
Devendra, ask him like when he saw his friend that time, did he just talk in the market only or he asked him to go to his home also? Ask
yes,
this question. Did he take his
and
friend
when
to
you
his home?
when you met in the market, and did he force you to go his home?
No, no. Did
Yes,
or
yes.
Zubair
not?
did Zubair ask him to go to his home? Did Zubair take his friend to his home? The question should be like
Yes,
this.
yes, I asked him lot of time him, but actually he was very tired. So he told me, Zubair, at that time I cannot go because I'm looking for a good job. So I was hurry.
He was
I
in
have to
hurry.
go somewhere. I have to go somewhere else. That's why he was unable to come with me. That's
And where did he live right now?
he's
Right? Where
living.
does he live? Where does he live?
Where does he live right now?
He lives in Dubai and looking for a good job.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay.
And how did you help him
How
in
are how
Actually,
are you going to help him? Now he will help me. He has not
how
helped yet.
you how are you going to help in requiring any job,
okay,
in getting
because
any job?
I have to go many companies as I'm a driver. So I conversation many peoples. I meet many people. So that's why I will give. I thought I will give his mobile number, any company wherever I go. So it will be helpful for him. That's I decided.
And because you met after a very long time, and was he
Yeah,
surprised
yes, yes.
after
When
seeing
I,
you?
it was, I mean, 9 years ago when he used to work with me. At that time, he's from India. So I saw just him. I mean, I met him come across that time. So it was surprise for me.
Okay, that's
That's
fine.
great.
That's fine. That's fine. Okay, now Devendra, now I will give a topic to you, and Zubair will ask questions. Okay,
Okay.
fine. The topic is that yesterday when Devendra went to market, he saw that there was a man, and he came to Devendra and said that I have lost my wallet. So could you please give me some money? Help me, please. This happened, and that man seemed to be very educated. His dress was good. He did not seem to be a beggar, but he was asking for some money. So this is the situation. So Zubair, you have to start the conversation like, "Hi Devendra, how are you?" like this, and get into the situation. Okay, action.
Okay, okay. Hi, Devendra. How are you, man?
Hi, Jubair. I'm fine. What about you?
Yeah, I'm good. Actually, buddy, I heard about you yesterday. You went nearby a shop. So someone asked to you some money. It is true or false?
Someone asked.
Yes, it's quite true that what happened. Yesterday, I was at market because I had to buy some vegetables over there, and a gentleman came to me and asked me that uh, he he has lost his wallet, and now he need some money. He needs some money, and I said, "How can I believe you?" And he said, "Buddy, being
Human being.
um
Being a
being
human
a
being.
human being,
Yeah.
being a human being, you can help me." I said, "No, buddy, but in this way, any person came to me and asked for money, and how can I help every person?" And I said to her, I said to him that first show me that how can I believe you? And he urged me to check myself. I have no purse, you know. And after that, he said, after that, I will money back this way.
Okay. How much money did he ask you?
For.
He asked for 5,000 rupees, and it's quite big amount, you know. And that's why I wanted to inquire everything about him.
Okay.
That's the thing.
Have you seen the man ever?
Had you seen, इससे पहले देखा था, had you seen that
So,
man
had you
before?
seen
No,
the
no.
man ever?
No, he was quite stranger to me. He was quite a stranger to me, and that's why I was hesitating to help him.
Okay.
That's
Okay.
why
Is it? Okay. Uh, that is perfect.
You can ask
How
like,
much money? How much money did you give him?
actually he wanted 5,000 rupees, and I said to him that because buddy, I even I have no 5,000 rupees in my wallet. How can I help you? And somehow I can give you a little amount, for say 1,000 rupees. I will give you, and if you demand that 5,000 rupees, I won't able to give you that amount.
I won't be able to give you.
You can go anywhere who can help you.
Okay, no
And
problem.
I gave
Okay.
him a thousand
In
rupees, one
okay.
thousand rupees.
In addition to money, did he ask anything else?
No, no. At first sight, he seemed to me as a quite handsome man, and nowadays uh, people are it's become a trend to help. We saw many video on YouTube that there's money that my son is ill and we need urgent help, that kind of things. And so I can't able to believe on him.
Okay, okay.
Okay. When you saw the man at that time, you did you believe instantly the man?
No, no, guys. No, no. I just quite shocked that when he asked me about 5,000 rupees. At first sight, I just shocked
I got
to hear
shocked.
that.
I got shocked.
I got shocked. I got shocked to hear that. And 5,000 rupees is a big
Yes.
amount in
Big
nowadays.
amount. Yes. Yes. Yes.
That's why
Okay, okay, that's fine, that's
I was.
fine. I think it's already 12 minutes conversation done. The video cannot be so big because it is going to be uploaded on YouTube. So, yeah, yeah.
No
So there
problem,
should
sir.
be like, a small video, maybe 10 to 15 minutes video, not more than that. So lovely, it was a nice conversation. I just wanted to show to my viewers that how the conversation can be done between two people. In
Sir, I
conversation,
did.
yeah, tell me.
Actually, I didn't prepare to like this conversation. I asked
Neither
you.
did he, neither did Devendra prepare. Nobody prepared here.
Yes, yes,
It
yes.
is on the
You asked
spot.
me you on the spot.
Yeah.
That's why I came, sir.
And that
When
should
we
be done. That should be done. On the spot is the main thing.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, 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 sir.
If you know any language, anybody can talk to you anytime. The person is not going
Yes,
to give
sir.
you the
Yes, yes,
message
sir.
like, okay, tomorrow I will talk, be prepared. It's just a language. You
No,
know.
no, no, sir. You're absolutely correct, sir. You're absolutely correct.
Fine. So see,
Absolutely correct.
I just want to tell to all these viewers and all that whenever you speak in English, whenever you do any conversation, two things are required: how to ask questions, how to reply, and the storytelling. Because when
Yes, sir. I
when
found.
Zubair was asking question, then Devendra started narrating a story, whatever happened. So it proves that story, asking question, and replying. These three things are really very
Sir,
much required.
sir,
Yeah.
sir, I have some complimentary words for you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Actually, sir, I have been following you for 3 years,
Okay.
and whatever
Oh,
I learn,
very long
sir,
time.
whatever I learn from you, sir, and you are the one of the teacher in India, to say, sir, uh, who are teaching according to situation. Not he had actually, sir, that was very boring method, and you are on the right track. I want to say.
Thank you, Devendra. And I believe everybody gets benefit out of it, and
No,
it will
sir.
definitely work. And today I uploaded one storytelling video. Did you watch that? In the morning, I
Yes, sir. Yes,
uploaded a
sir.
video.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes, 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 yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Like I had
You
put some
bought some.
fruits here,
You
some
yes,
one
yes, yes.
pumpkin here.
You bought something. I miss pumping, carrots,
Yeah,
meal,
yeah, yeah, yeah,
other things. Chocolate
yeah. Fine, fine. So it
for.
is going to be 15 minutes video. Thank you, Devendra, and thank you, Zubair.
Oh, thank you,
Okay, okay,
sir.
sir.
Thank
Okay.
you
My
very
pleasure,
much.
sir.
See you next time. Thank you, buddy.
Pleasure.
Bye.
Okay, thank you very much.